Ronnie Corbett's Comedy Britain is at 9. Now, though, it's the Triwizard Tournament, and there's some flashing images and scenes some younger children may find scary.
Coming to your home, ITV Movies, sponsored by Toyota RAV4.
There's a new kitchen combination coming your way.
Welcome to Let's Do Lunch with Gino and Mel. I've only flambéed a Christmas pudding.
That's the way to do it. Just gonna slap the breast.
The perfect lunchtime combination. Let's Do Lunch with Gino and Mel, live, Monday at 12:30, ITV1 and ITV1 HD.
Coming to your home, ITV Movies, sponsored by the new Toyota Verso S.